So now, let's proceed to 1.3, the institutional, the program, course, and learning outcomes. So these outcomes attributes that a graduate of institution is expected to demonstrate 3 or more than 3 years after graduation. Attributes meaning it is a quality or characteristic given to a person, group, or some other thing. So here are the outcomes in outcome-based education or OBE that comes in 4 different levels. So we have here 4 different levels, but I am going to discuss the two first levels. So the first level is the institutional outcomes. So institutional outcomes are the knowledge, the skills, the abilities, and attitudes that students are expected to develop as a result of their overall experiences with any aspect of the college, including the courses, the programs, and student services. Um, they help shape and inform the academic culture of an institution and decide the type of graduate profile an institution aspires to have. So, institutional outcomes are considered as broad statements which represent the values of an institution. So, what institutional outcomes graduate can attribute if they graduated their college or finish their studies. So here are they are going to demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of the methods of inquiry and how these methods are used to interpret knowledge in their own field. They can also analyze problems and issues and generate ideas and solutions that contribute to a better understanding of the world. Next is the program outcomes. So, the program outcomes are the learning outcomes we expect students to achieve after completing a degree or path of study. Program outcome serves as a guide for students and faculty to ensure that students are knowledgeable and competitive in their future professions. So, these outcomes is a description of knowledge, competencies, and values that a student displays at the end of the program. Also, these outcomes help students comprehend why this knowledge and these competencies will be useful to them. These outcomes describe what graduates of a program will be able to do out there as a result of what they have learned in the program statements, conveying the intent of a program. Specifically, program outcomes refer to what a student should know or be able to do at the end of the program. They are often seen as the knowledge and skills students will have obtained by the same they have received their intended degree. So, the example of this is to assess the healthcare needs of different groups in the society, and next is to apply the principles and practices of their discipline to new complex environment. So the next two outcomes are will be able to discuss by Miss Jaira. Thank you.